Hello. In the three parts, I want to explain to you about the limit switch. Now I will fully explain the internal specification and components of this limit switch. So watch these three parts, and if you have any question about this limit switch, ask in the comments. Well, this device that we want to teach in this video is the limit switch, which is from Iswitch. This model is the lower limit switch that has all kind of the limit switch like a roller, pusher, lever, or antenna, and a spring that each to one thing. Because the disconnecting and connecting arm of this limit switch is a lower lever, it is called the lever model. Uh, this limit switch gives user NO and NC output that you have to open the four screws and do the wiring from inside this limit switch. This limit switch are used to the connect and disconnect the conveyor belt. You can even use this limit switch to count goods. And now sensor are used to count goods on the line. But in the old days, this limit switch were used. For example, uh, if you put the inside of the sensor, every protection that passes will be blend this lever once. Now sensors are used because they are more efficient. For example, this device is used a lot of working. Yeah. And for example, it doesn't allow the elevator to move before the door is completely closed. Let me explain to you about the advantage of this limit switch. It is very easily to install, considering that is the cheaper than a sensor. That is easier to install. You open these four screws and close them and remove the wire. The second advantage is a noise resistance because it's a mechanical device and it's not as noisy as a sensor, which we open it there the full video so that so we mechanical component of this device. To fully understand that this device is a completely mechanical and electrical noise doesn't efficient the method. The next advantage is that there is a no leak current. It gives us a normally output and normally close output. Uh, and because it has a little error, it is used a lot of in the industry. One of the disadvantages of this device is that it has a lower life span than sensor. And the next disadvantage is that it cannot be used in all device, and because it is a mechanical device, it breaks much earlier than sensor. For example, if graves gets inside this part, it will damage very quickly. Another point that we should pay attention to is that model of this element switch you need. For example, the material of the body should be plastic or metal according to the needs of the work and choose the appearance. This is the medium limit switch that cause the smaller and larger size. So these are the point out that you should pay attention to when buying. We use models such as a roller, pusher, loader, antenna, and spring. So each of the is perform one task. This is the lever model, and that you open the scare from this part and you can adjust. If you have any question about this device, ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.